Your content isn't invisible, it's unclear. You're showing up on LinkedIn, you're posting, you're staying consistent, and still, it's not turning into real conversations or clients. And this is where a lot of business owners get stuck because it feels like it's a visibility problem on LinkedIn, but it's not. It's an interpretation problem. People are landing on your content and they're not quickly understanding if it's for them. And they have to work to figure that out. And if they have to do that, they won't figure that out and they're going to move on. If we haven't met yet, my name is Boswell-Buck and I am a LinkedIn visibility strategist. I help business owners turn LinkedIn into a client attraction system, not just a content platform. And if you want more strategies like this, hit subscribe. I share this stuff regularly. So let's break down where this actually is going wrong. Number one, what you do. Now, this first gap is where people can't clearly tell what you do. And it's not because you haven't said it, but it's because it's broad and unclear. For example, if someone says, I help people live better lives, that could mean anything. Compared to, I help busy professionals build simple routines so they have more energy and less stress during the week. Now that's clear. So here's a quick fix. Say what you do in one clean, direct sentence, and if somebody can't repeat it back, then remember it's not landing. Number two, who you support. This is the second gap. It's not clear who your content is for, so it ends up speaking to everyone and connecting with no one. For example, time management is important if you want to stay productive. That's true, but for who? Now compare this to if you're a business owner juggling client work, trying to grow your business at the same time. Now I know that that's for me. So here's a quick fix. Speak to one specific person because not everyone is your buyer. Speak to your buyer. Number three, why it matters. There's no urgency or relevance. You're sharing valuable insights, but you're not connecting them to a real problem. For example, having a strong online presence is important. That's true, but it doesn't move me. So let's shift that to, if your LinkedIn content isn't bringing in conversations, your online presence isn't supporting your business. Now it matters. Quick fix, tie your content to what they're actively experiencing now. Number four, what to do next. This is a big one. There's no clear next step. So even if someone is interested, they don't know what to do. For example, a post ends with, hope this helps. That's where it stops. Now compare that to, if this is what you're experiencing on LinkedIn, send me a message and I'll take a look. Now that's direction. Here's a quick fix. Tell people exactly what you do next, because clarity doesn't just attract, it guides. So when these four pieces are clear, your content stops feeling like effort and it starts working like a system. And if you're listening to this and you're thinking, okay, I might be doing this already, well, I offer a free resource called X-Ray Your LinkedIn Audience in 10 minutes. It's where I break down who's actually seeing your content, what's landing, and where the disconnect is. Because most people are guessing, and your data is already telling you what's wrong. So here's why this matters. When your message becomes clear, you don't need to do more. You don't need more posts. You don't need more platforms. You need better alignment. And that's when things begin to shift because you're going to start attracting the right people. Your conversations, they're going to improve. And opportunities are going to feel more aligned. And it's not because you increase the effort, it's because you remove the friction. So, if your LinkedIn content is active but not really landing, this is where to look first. Not how often you're posting, but how clearly you're being understood. So I'm curious, what's one thing you know you need to clean up first? your message, your audience, or your call to action? Let me know.